Hello again everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you this 2013 BMW 320i Sport. We replaced the engine. The car looks really bad right now. It needs to be cleaned. It's been sitting outside for about a month and a half trying to get parts and all that, so let's check it out. You can see we already got the engine in. It's a 4-cylinder twin turbo. This car has 240 horsepower, 255 pound-feet of torque. So as you can see, look at the mess. We're gonna get it clean, shiny, polished. We're gonna replace these right here because they're broken. So we got some new ones already. So will come out pretty good once we're done. Look at that right here. Look at the hood. The hood looks really bad. Ramps. The whole car is a mess. Let's check the inside. Really messy right now. Look at that. But once we're done, it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be clean. Here are the parts for the front. So this door handle got broken, so we're gonna replace that too. We already have the one to replace it, so it should be fine. That looks nasty right there. So anyway, once we're done cleaning the car, we're gonna test drive it and see how it performs. I mean, it looks really bad. It'll be shining soon. So the car came out pretty good. As you can see at the end, it was really nice and shiny. All the parts got put together. So now we're just gonna take it for a test drive, and we'll show you something later. Thanks for watching.